Hey guys, Sadie, and this is the Artri Punkr kit thing that I built a little bit ago. But I do have the oscilloscope that I have, and I just was poking around on there. So let's see, I do have it on that capacitor there, the C5 capacitor. So I can turn it on. I was wanting to there. The lighting is just okay. So yeah, yeah, I did have that on there. Let's see. Oh, there's a good one. There you go. Yeah, I mean, the more you play with it, but I have ideas of like maybe taking these resistors and making them all variable, like a little bit of variable on them, maybe just adding a variable, like taking half of what the resistor is and then putting a variable on some of those. But we do have well, I mean, the schematics are online. It's you build it. It's youbuildit.com. Okay, so, but I will show you, poking around on the back of it, I was getting some stuff. Let's see what we got. There we go. See, look at that. That one's angry. That one was very angry. That was a very angry one. All right, we'll try one. so you can see that we do need to dial in a little bit on what we're looking at, but the oscilloscope works, and it is a dual channel. I did see the other one over there. It is a bit dusty, and I want to restore this as best as I can, but yeah, I can't believe it works. It's amazing. And then we'll just have to we could edit that into some kind of beats, you know, and make everybody happy. Thanks for watching.